Let's have a quick conversation about Zendrop. So, is Zendrop really the best dropshipping app? Let's have a conversation about that. So, here's the overview I want you to pay attention to. So, when you think about Zendrop, what should you think about? Zendrop is a platform that connects you with suppliers in China to find low-priced products, right? And Zendrop, as a matter of fact, helps e-commerce businesses manage their dropshipping operations. So this includes what? It includes managing inventory, automating fulfillment, and automating communication with suppliers and customers. So you have an all-in-one solution here. Think of it that way, an all-in-one solution. So when somebody asks you what is really Zendrop, it's just an e-commerce apps that helps you get suppliers from platforms like AliExpress. This is really important, and you want to have quality suppliers though. It's all about quality. It's all about finding quality suppliers, and so you're getting a service that caters to online merchants and dropshipping Shopify store owners who are seeking reliable suppliers and a seamless experience with purchasing products for their stores, custom branding, and improved delivery speed. So Zendrop has a constellation of features that we love. You have automated dropshipping. So you can turn on auto fulfillment to put your order fulfillment on autopilot. You have 24/7 support. So Zendrop will offer 24/7 support for all users and even customer support for users on Zendrop Select. And you have a US fulfillment. So Zendrop ships from the US warehouses and trusted US suppliers within 5 to 8 business days to end customers. You have custom branding, so you can set yourself apart from the competition by customizing your products with unique labeling and custom packaging. You have world-class support. So again, it's all about having the customer service from Zendrop taking care of your business for you. You have an endless product catalog. So Zendrop, based on our analysis, offers more than 1 million products to sell. And if you can't find what you need, they will source it for you. You have scaling resources. So Zendrop has the resources in-house and a world-class support team ready to help you scale your business. So you also have thank you cards, you have subscription boxes, and you have analytics. So you can keep track of your business processes in a single dashboard in Zendrop. Fantastic. Boss, by the way, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. We're having a quick convo today about Zendrop. Let me quickly talk to you about the pros and cons of Zendrop here. So let's first with the pros. So you have a time-saving automation tool that's easy to use, 24/7 customer support. You have high-quality suppliers, fast shipping. You have a lot of integrations, including Shopify, WooCommerce, Commerce HQ. You have fast shipping. It's important. So Zendrop's measures, it's really like they have taken measures to make shipping as fast as possible. You know, this is really impressive when you take a look at it. They have reliable suppliers. So you want to work with only dependable suppliers, and this is something you get through Zendrop. And so you have excellent customer service. I've said this before. You have automated drop shipping. This automation really will actually save you a lot of time down the road. You have branding. So creating a brand from a dropshipping business is difficult, but not for Zendrop users. So with private labeling and custom branding, your customer satisfaction and loyalty can go beyond expectations. So they'll work with you. You have a user-friendly interface, and you have a wide range of products and suppliers, and everything is fine. And pricing, by the way, is very competitive. So this is really cool. So that's for the pros. Let's talk about the cons. So if you were to be on the free version is somewhat limited, okay? You have a higher price point than alternatives in our view. And again, here we are speaking about overall though. You have limited products and suppliers. So Zendrop is used by thousands of users around the globe, and it doesn't have as many products and suppliers as other platforms. Although that's because they filter too much. But the thing is that the probability of a hot product running out of stock becomes high this way. And it's a little pricey. I think I've said that. And there's not much to avail. Like if you were to go on a free plan, you're not really going to get that much. But if you want to if you really want to feel the juice of Zendrop, you have to go all the way to their last pricing point. I'll talk about that later on. And the free plan doesn't offer live chat, and you also have limited customization options. So it's important to know that. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. we are having a conversation about Zendrop. This is a Zendrop review. I'm giving you all the ins and outs about Zendrop. Let's quickly talk about the process here. So I want to talk to you about how does Zendrop work. Like I want to touch a little bit on that, and I'm going to really focus on a few things: the user interface and navigation, product range, quality control, customer service, and so on and so forth. Okay. First of all, the user interface and navigation, fantastic. Okay, it's intuitive, it is user friendly, it has a smooth design. Nothing to say here, and their website is maintained properly, which gives a good impression of their customer service. What about the product range? Well, the product range is really it's not as diversified as what you find on AliExpress, but the platform still has a diverse catalog. Okay, with over 1 million products to choose from, you have a diverse range of options to hunt down your winning products. So it's really cool. And Zendrop displays the closest variants of your searched products. You can choose the variants you want and have the listing displayed on your store. Even if you can't find your desired products, you can import it from another platform to Zendrop. It's totally possible. You also have quality control. This is really an important element that Zendrop pays attention to. So quality control is important. So quality control, how does that manifest? So Zendrop actually stands out in terms of quality control. If you've dealt with bad suppliers, you know how frustrating this can be, right? So luckily for Zendrop users, landing a poor supplier is the least of their worries because the platform prioritizes fast shipping, order completion, and the seller's reputation. So, moreover, much of the dealing between dropshippers and suppliers is actually handled by Zendrop itself. So you don't have to do anything. Customer service, fantastic. Zendrop has a world-class customer support team. They offer 24/7 email and chat support. Don't expect people to be on the phone though. If you have a situation, quote unquote situation, you can't really reach out to someone in Zendrop over the phone. In terms of warehouses, Zendrop has warehouses in the US, they have warehouses in China, so the shipping pretty good. Processing and delivery time are kind of cool. You have 1 to 3 business days. You have auto fulfillment. This is really cool. And that works pretty fine with Zendrop. And the return policy is very generous also through Zendrop. And the API is really great. You have custom branding. You have a lot of stuff. Fantastic. Let's talk about the pricing here. As you can see on the screen, I want you to look on the screen right now. You have 3 pricing plans, right? If you were to go with Zendrop, you got to really you got to work around those 3 plans. You have the free plan, you have the pro plan, and you have the plus plan. It's just better in our view to go with the pro plan because the free plan, don't even waste your time with that. And the pro plan is kind of cool, but it doesn't give you I would say a diverse list of capabilities that you will need anyway if you want to run a successful dropshipping store. So it's important to think about that. So for the basic plan, you can browse 1 million products. You have 24/7 customer support, 50 orders, per month, and it's free. But listen, it's great, but you are restricted to taking 50 orders in a month, making the basic plan ideal for a newbie dropshipper. Then you have the pro plan. The pro plan, you have auto fulfillment feature, custom branding, thank you cards, unlimited orders, express shipping, which is really good, which is great. You have US products, and this will cost you $49 a month. Okay. Now, this is actually this plan, the pro plan, is designed for those who are willing to take their online startup to the next level. So, you are going to start using one of Zendrop's best features. And so this plan is by far the most used premium plan of Zendrop. Then you have the plus plan. Now the plus plan has all the features you find in the pro plan, in addition to a hot product finder, Zendrop Academy, product bundles, subscription boxes, chargeback management, private product listing. You have $100 order credit, and this will cost you about $79 a month. Okay, it is something you have to think about. Now, the additional perks you get in the plus plan cost you a $30 increase, but you are able to get like private labeling, faster US shipping options, sourcing agents to handle price negotiation. You have personalized customer support. So this plan is designed solely for veteran dropshippers. So this is kind of cool. You are able to, as a dropshipper, you're able to have your own team of agents that negotiates on behalf of, like, negotiate with suppliers on your behalf. Okay, and Zendrop will take care of that. Not a problem at all. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about Zendrop. So this is the Zendrop review. I'm giving you all the ins and outs of this tool so you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into if you are thinking about going with Zendrop. Let me talk to you about the alternatives here. So when we talk about Zendrop, Zendrop is not the only player in town, and luckily, because you have other players. And so I want to quickly talk to you about some of those players. You have Spockets, you have Deezers, for example. You have CJ Dropshipping, which are really players you want to think about. You have AutoDS, as a matter of fact. So when we talk about Spocket, now the primary difference between Zendrop and Spocket is that the former has mainly Chinese suppliers, while the latter deals with US and Europe-based suppliers. So when you think about Spocket, that's what it is. Spocket only focuses on US and Europe-based suppliers. So the distinction affects other factors in Spocket. For example, the prices are relatively higher than Zendrop, but the shipping times are faster. So they have their own strengths and weaknesses, and they can meet different needs. What about Zendrop versus Deezers? Now, Deezers development was actually backed by the e-commerce giant AliExpress itself. It allows you to dropship from Chinese suppliers. You also get to import products, take several orders, and manage multiple stores. Some users have complained about Deezer's mediocre and somewhat faulty interface, but they have switched things off lately. That's really good to see. And what really also sets Deezer's apart is the cost. You can find some of the cheapest products on the platform, which really gives it leverage over Zendrop. So this is really important to mention. You also have a Zendrop versus CJ Dropshipping. So CJ Dropshipping has been around for a while now, and they have suppliers from all over the world, and they offer fast shipping times with a low product cost. But the user interface and customer service of CJ Dropshipping are not as impressive as Zendrop. So this is just better to say go with Zendrop. What about Zendrop versus AutoDS? Well, the thing is that Zendrop and AutoDS have one thing in common. You have automated dropshipping, right? Although Zendrop brings tough competition here too, AutoDS in our view is better than Zendrop in its automation features. And whether it's auto fulfillment, advanced product importer, or stock management, AutoDS covers almost all that Zendrop offers. And AutoDS falls behind on customer service, suppliers, and shipping time, but it's still considered as good as Zendrop. So I'm just giving you a rough idea of what the players are, so you can choose which one works for you. By the way, there are others though. There are other alternatives. We can't just list all of them here. You have Doba, you have Worldwide Brands, you have a lot of players. Let me talk about some extras here. So when you think about Zendrop, what are the extras you want to think about? So what about Zendrop integrations? Now, Zendrop integrates with various platforms and tools to streamline your dropshipping business. And the cool thing is that you have Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce to start with, and you have other integrations as well. But those three, it's really great because it makes the whole thing, Zendrop makes the whole thing easier for you when it comes to importing products, managing orders, and tracking shipments. Additionally, Zendrop integrates with various third-party tools like Facebook Ads, Google Ads, and Klaviyo to help you optimize your marketing campaigns and streamline your operations. With these integrations, in our view, you can easily automate your dropshipping business and focus on growing your brand. What about Zendrop usability? Fantastic. Okay, the platform is really intuitive, and you can really you don't really need extensive training or technical knowledge to use the platform. No, there is no steep learning curve at all. Okay, and what about support? You have a 24/7 support via live chat and email. You also have an FAQ page. You have a Slack channel dedicated to both you and your Zendrop's team whenever you require help. And Zendrop offers customer support through the support center, and you also have articles and tutorials. So don't forget. As a matter of fact, they also have a Facebook group for users to connect and share tips and advice. And their support team is known for being responsive and helpful, and they offer assistance with issues such as order fulfillment, shipping, and product sourcing. So this is really cool. And how can you connect Zendrop to Shopify? Well, you'll first have to create a Zendrop account. So once you sign up, you need to give Zendrop the necessary details. They'll ask you for some other information, including your Shopify store's URL. Once you give that to them, you should be good to go. Not a problem at all. Everything happens automatically in the background. And actually, if you're interested, let us know in the comment section. We'll help you out. Okay. And Zendrop right now doesn't offer any integrations with Amazon. Okay, it only works with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Commerce HQ, and BigCommerce as well. So, but hey, listen, this could change because the platform is growing all the time. Not a problem. So it's really, so overall, this is just a great service. So what is the verdict here? Is Zendrop really worth it? Let's have a conversation about that. Well, definitely yes. Definitely yes. Zendrop is legit. Zendrop is worth it in our view. This is a platform worth considering, especially if you are trying to diversify your dropshipping business. I mean, Zendrop's legitimacy is undisputed, right? It has secured a ton of positive feedback on reputable review sites like Trustpilot and TripleB, with an overall rating of 4.8, which is really, when you really think about it, nothing short of impressive. 4.8 out of 5, fantastic. And even most customers on the Shopify app page of Zendrop have good things to say about the platform's product quality and shipping times. So the only major complaint that we notice is that finding a popular product on Zendrop can be challenging at times due to the limited number of suppliers on the marketplace. So, it's just one of those things you need to be aware of if you want to go with Zendrop. But all in all, based on most of the customer reviews online, Zendrop is a solid choice for both beginner and veteran dropshippers. And we also are basing our own opinion based on our own business clients who are using Zendrop and the feedback they have given us over the years. Okay, this is important. One thing I want to say is that although there is some room for improvement in product variety, overall it's a great tool to kickstart or scale your business. Okay, so also think about the free version, the free plan. Now the free plan is good, but don't actually think that you can actually scale your dropshipping business by going through the Zendrop free plan. Not at all. This is not where the juice is at. Okay, the juice is somewhere. So it's important. And if you have any question, you can chat with Zendrop. Not a problem. They'll let you know. They have customer service that's available 24/7. I mean, through chat and no phone. But hey, listen, that's what you want is you want to have someone to get back to, and they do get back to you. And one thing I want to say is that, the fact that Zendrop offers plenty of outstanding features, this is really good. You can really use it for kickstarting your dropshipping business. The only thing is just think about pricing. The pricing might not be affordable for everyone, so just see if it works for your budget before actually embarking yourself and your dropshipping upon the Zendrop's bandwagon. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Here is time for a recap and everything here. So in today's Zendrop review, I gave you the overview. I spoke to you about the pros and cons, the process, how does Zendrop really work. I talked to you about the pricing. I also mentioned the alternatives to Zendrop. We also talked a little bit about the extras as well as the verdict. Thank you so much for your attention. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.